Uh, what I'm going to do today is we'll do a market analysis, right? Initially, we'll go step by step. And what is the date today? Today is the 6th of October 2020. Okay, so let's start. Let me share the screen with you. Okay. So today opening also we are seeing a gap opening of about 100 points. SGF Nifty is plus today about 15 only. But let's check out as far as the the Nifty is concerned. Uh, Nifty yesterday high was 11,577. Okay, so this is a 1 day 5 minute chart. Let's go to a daily chart. So when in the daily chart, what we are looking over here is, okay, RSI is above the 55. Okay, and we have seen from 10,800, Nifty has already reached 11,600. Today it is going to reach. But you saw the up move is there, okay, but with lot of gap. Now people are afraid of this particular reason, but while uh, this was the piercing signal which was there. Okay, this was the piercing signal which gave a clear indication that the Nifty wants to go up. So this is what is it. Again a gap opening. Okay, again a gap opening. Again a gap opening. Again a gap opening. And today also we are seeing a gap opening. So we will be looking over here at these levels. Okay, shift D. What was the high of this? 11,618. Okay, so once it crossed this 618, that means we are seeing shoulder at shoulder. Technically it should have come down, and then when it went up it should have been good. But today 11,600 is what we are seeing. And what will be the resistance for this thing is this 11,618. Any questions? Right, so this is your daily chart. Let's check the weekly. So in weekly, we saw a bearish engulfing and the price coming down. Okay, coming right over here at the weekly support of 10,900 odd. Okay, and again a harami pattern over here, going above the moving average of 5 and 9 also, means 5 week, 9 week. And today the again there will be a gap opening over here today. Okay, so if it remains on the top, that means it is going to take out this levels, trying to reach 11,800. Okay, so this is where it is right now. Okay, slowly and steadily, what we are seeing is, while there was a correction coming in, okay, the price still wants to go up. Okay, so this is as far as the spot Nifty is concerned. Let's check the Bank Nifty also. So Bank Nifty almost similar chart in the weekly, bearish, bullish piercing, and the price trying to go up. Okay, which are the stocks which are moving the Bank Nifty? Okay, Kotak Bank again a bullish piercing, trying to go up. Anything above 11,333 will take it to the next levels. Okay, HDFC Bank again a beautiful 123, and the price trying to go up. Yes, the up move is there. Now in the next few days we will have the result of HDFC Bank. Okay, again coming inside the supply zone. Okay, so well, whether it is going to go up, but since RSI is also above 53, the momentum is there. Okay, Axis Bank again bullish PRC in weekly. So we are looking at price, if it goes above 445, okay, then it is going to go around 470 levels upper ke side pe. Okay, will it go? Question mark. Okay, SBI, wonderful move made by SBI, but the follow-up candle was not there. So it needs to break this 189 today for it to go up to 196 and above. Again, on a weekly, technically this is not having the strength over here as far as weekly is concerned. In daily, let us check it out. RSI also not so strong. So this is the one which is dragging the bank nifty down. Okay. Coming to ICICI Bank, again bullish piercing and the price going up very strongly from 330 less than 338 levels to 380 levels yesterday. So a wonderful move given by ICICI Bank. Indus Bank has been given giving again, see this, a beautiful 123 and the price going up strong. Okay. Bank of Baroda not moving at all, not moving at all. Okay, so PSU banks are the ones which are technically weak as far as the banking sector is concerned. Let's check the Nifty otherwise. Okay, now in Nifty we are seeing that the IT is the one which is moving the market. Yesterday TCS made a new high. Okay, strong up move. Okay, of TCS. Tech Mahindra also moving strongly up. Okay, Wipro, our 270 levels, 280 levels, Wipro has moved up beautifully after a strong consolidation. Yesterday, the strong up move was there. Okay, Go Force again dancing now, needs to break the 2438 levels. Tech Mahindra moving very good, but after a strong move, now it is consolidating. Okay, Infosys, yes, it has moved wonderfully. Okay, after a, again, see over here we see this uh, this seems to be a 1 2 3 reversal trying to go down, but the next day itself strong move up. That means from every drop there was a buy and then the price really going up very strong. Okay, so RSI also still giving a wonderful move. It has come to a 70 levels, but it can remain there for quite some time. Again, this is a weekly chart for Infosys. So IT is the one which is really strong. Okay, IT the one side trying to go up. Okay, so every 1 or 2 weeks, 3 weeks consolidation up move. Again, it's a rally base, rally base, and a rally happening. Okay, so this is very, very important for us. Again, same way, it has not even broken the 5 week low, and this also is still going strong, coming right at the 70 levels. So if you see, most of the IT stocks are coming to the 70 levels, most of them. Okay, now see, when it came to 70 levels, then there was a bearish engulfing coming over here. Now if um, Bank Nifty has to move, IT will do a sideways consolidation or a correction happening in this thing. It's a correlation. IT is going up, Bank Nifty is being beaten down. So today, let's check whether Bank Nifty will technically move up or not. Okay, so here is the Bank Nifty. Yes, the opening is already there. Bank Nifty has gone up. Okay. Uh, uh, Suppose if I go and buy one of this, okay, Reliance also has moved up significantly. See the way it went up strongly. Our 23 car trade did not happen in Kotak Bank, and now it is at 28. Just missed the whole bus of Kotak. Now this, please understand that early morning you have to be ready with the move. Okay, if we miss the whole thing, then you are stuck. See, from 22 onwards, going up till 29, we would have already made the money and run away from the place. Okay, same way, if you see the Bank Nifty gap opening and see the weekly, is it not strong? A 400 point up move. Okay, and this is what I said. Okay, now when we are looking, please understand, when we are looking at one particular thing, see the different time frames which we will to look at. Let me share again the screen. Okay. Same way, HDFC Bank, there is a result, and see, we missed this up move also. RSI was high above the 51. Okay, and check it out from the low. This is the weekly. Okay, why am and this is the daily. Okay, now I don't like stocks which move in this particular fashion, but on a weekly, yes, it is perfectly all right, because 10472 1136, huge move. Okay, huge move. Now let's check the this thing also. Now this is taking a support of this previous this thing. Okay, this is a taking a support of this above the 52 this thing. Okay, can I go and buy this? Let's check it out. Again, I'm buying. I have bought this. Okay, now please understand, this is a daily chart. Okay, let's check the 5 minutes chart. What it did then? It came down to 49. Okay, and a strong up move happening. Okay, now if we are following a 5 minutes rule, 10 minutes rule, we need to either wait for the first 10 minutes to complete it move. Okay, see this going up, and suppose we want to exit this particular thing. Okay, so we have, suppose we want to exit this move. Okay, you are done with this particular trade, and that's the end of the story. Or what you can do is simple, 1455.50. Okay, you trail it out. Okay, but see, either you exit or you trail this out and place and confirm. So this is locked. You are out. Okay, at least I made 500 rupees in just the 1 minute thing which we did.
Right.
Okay, but see, the pressure is up. The price going up is really strong. It is just getting pulled from the low below. Okay, now we need to technically go to a higher time frame to check why the pressure is there or not there. Okay, so anything above 61 can take it to 845. Yes or no?
Right.
Means this is your anything above 60 minutes. Let's check this out. Okay, so anything above this, okay, anything about this will take the price up to a next level. Getting what I'm trying to say?
Yeah.
But
right.
when you are doing an early morning trades, okay, you need to just pick up the money and run away.
Okay.
Okay, and then with the market money, when it really becomes strong, you are in that particular trade. Okay, now we normally we are in that small time frame. Okay, we are into that smaller time frame. Now if I want to take this trade, okay, should I take this trade or I should wait?
Yeah, now you can take this trade.
Why should
because
I take
you're
it?
already at the low, you're already at the bottom levels of this.
Right, but then my stop loss will be at 48. Does it make sense?
No. Then you have to wait then for it to come down to the lower levels then, or either break the 61.
Yes. Correct. Understood?
Right.
See, technically, please go to a smaller time frame. Now see, technically indecision when you get this type of ruling over here. Okay, so where will be the best place to buy? After the 58, 59 levels only?
Right.
Okay, because what is happening is on a smaller time frame, it has come from 1485 and it is dancing over here. Okay,
Right.
let it go above the 52, then you are it is okay. You are getting an entry little late, but then it is a confirmation entry, or you will have to give 5 points to this. That means 2500 rupees.
Okay.
Are you getting me?
Yeah.
Okay, so now see, now the Kotak Bank, after going right up till 33, it came back to where we wanted the entry. See this. Does it make sense? So when the money is there on the table, you should pick it up. That is the intraday ka funda.
Okay.
Okay. So while you want to play the bigger game, okay, you have to see the bigger time frames also. Now, if this is strong now, okay, you can go ahead and buy. But what will be your stop loss? See this. What will be your stop loss? Now 55.
Okay.
Okay. Now you want to buy. I will still go and buy in case you want to buy. Now this is where this thing is. But when we are looking at a smaller time frame, okay, this is wonderful. Now see, when this is where you technically get an entry for your 5 minutes.
Okay.
Okay. Once it breaks this, now will it come down? So I want this entry around here at 51 or 57, or I miss the whole bus. So we will be able to concentrate only on 2 or 3 stocks only. Are you getting me?
Right.
Okay. And early morning, it is just picking up the money and running away. Then with the market money, you take one more chance. Not a problem at all. Are you getting me?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Why? Okay. Let's check this out on a weekly. Around 70 levels, right? Daily chart. It went down 1, 2, 3, but above the moving average.
Averages. Yeah.
Right? So anything around 52, we can buy for a strong up move right up till 85. And if it crosses 1493, it will give at least 50 to 100 points.
Correct.
But after a strong correction, please understand this. After a strong correction over here, okay, strong correction over here, somebody was buying really strong and fast. Okay. Got it?
Yeah.
Now see, even in Bank Nifty, let's check the Bank Nifty also. Huh? Did it not touch our this thing previous high of 840? And then now it has given way. Now go to a smaller time frame and check it out. There was a gap down opening and a bearish engulfing. You are in a sell.
So now once it broke that previous engulfing, bearish engulfing, then it will be a sell on that with the stop high being the high of that engulfing candle, correct?
Correct. But you are, when you are working on a smaller time frame, your entries and exits should be really fast.
Fast, yeah.
See this. Just to give you a example, say this was the opening, right?
Correct.
This was the opening. It's once it started to go down, has it not given you 50 to 100 points?
Correct, already, yeah.
Yeah, and that is the end of the story. If you are able to correlate, see, early morning trades are taken just to make money. You don't have to use any emotions. When the money is on the table, just pick it up. Pat. Because if you are wrong, you need to exit also if you are wrong.
Fast, yeah.
Okay. So sometimes what happens, you buy a trade, okay, it is giving you money. Now, if I had not kept my stop loss, just imagine, and it goes down 10 points, do I not lose my money?
Yeah.
That is the best way to go around is you buy a trade, okay, if that is going in to your favor, first of all, you need to put is lock your profits on as a no loss wala thing. Okay. So once you lock, you have to immediately ensure that where you want to exit. And once that money is there on the table, exit, khatam. There is no way you should wait. In the first 10-15 minutes, it is all about picking up the money and running away from the market. Then with the market money, you take one more trade, which is a technical trade based on whatever system you want to follow. 10 minutes rule, 45 minutes rule, whatever rule you want to follow. Or you just trail your profits and lock it out so that you can sit with ease.
Okay.
Are you getting me?
Yeah, man. Fine.
Okay. So now when market went down, Reliance also came down. Okay. Now what is holding this thing is only the HDFC Bank. While
HDFC
the
Bank,
Kotak
yeah.
Bank also came down. Okay. This did not go above see these levels. Why we draw the levels is that is the beauty. Check the high 615.30. What we said was the resistance was at 11618.
18, right.
Okay. So this is important. Okay. Now Reliance did not go. Now see this in this case also. What is Reliance doing for the last so many days?
Just
It is
sideways
just
only,
doing a
yeah.
sideways.
Sideways, right.
So we don't want to get into such stocks which are really sideways moving stocks. We want to
Okay.
play the game where the strength is available. Now anything about 2232, I may go and buy this.
Okay.
But check this out. In this case also, Reliance, okay, this is an option 2040 is at 200 rupees. Is it not absurd? 2040. That means
Okay.
200 points up, which is now the price has come from almost 400 rupees, 300 rupees odd. Okay. And now it is doing dancing. Now, if the Nifty goes up, now at a lower side, if you want to buy something, okay, you need to have that system in place, maybe a 1, 2, 3 reversal, whether on a smaller time frame, it is going to give you a clear indication of you want to go and buy something.
Yeah.
Are you getting me?
Yes.
Now, any questions? Please fire it up.
Okay, so because I was looking at Reliance in the morning because I've also like obtained my list. So like Reliance was sideways, L&T was going sideways, Bajaj Finance there was nothing. Maruti had showed an even sideways pattern. So I don't know. I'll just wait for them to kind of. I guess I won't put. I'll look at something else then because most of the ones that I have on are all in a sideways. Like yesterday's Wipro I missed. Wipro ITC and I'm not ITC and TCS.
But it is, see,
Those
please
I
understand. What is sideways? हटाओ बाकी के उसके ऊपर just concentrate and buy something. Nothing wrong in that. Suppose you want to buy, okay, let's take let me show you to you how we can go about this. Okay, suppose I am taking this Reliance in cash.
right.
Okay, now is it a 1, 2, 3 reversal? Yes. Now you want to
Yes.
go for a buy in this. Okay, but where will be my stop loss?
Stop loss will be at the 2200 levels, right down on it.
Correct. Right.
Like 2206 level, yeah.
Yeah, so I have bought, but where will be my exit? First exit will be say 23, 27. That's it.
Yeah.
Okay. Now you need to learn about your 60-minute working. Is it strong? No. Technically, no. Right? In 60 minutes, it will only become, once it becomes green, then it will be a buy.
Correct.
Right? But then you are buying right at the top. So today, what was the low? Today, what was the low? 210.
Okay.
Okay, 22.10. Now let's draw. So what will be the stop loss over here? Anything below
Below
20.06. Okay. Now you let us follow the 10 minutes rule. Okay. Now in the 10 minutes, we are still in between. But
Right.
RSI is strong, whatever it is. Now, can I now place an order? See, in this case, every time it is trying to go up, it is being sold out. Every time it is trying, their opening is on the top, again giving way. Now, what we need to do is, we have to have this entry over here. Okay. But the stop loss still will go down. Will it make sense to us? Will it give us an intraday money? No.
No.
Okay. So technically, this trade may go wrong unless and until it will give you a strong up move there. So we need to catch it over here. Then our stop loss is very small. Suppose we need to catch it over here. See this? Suppose we have catched it over here. Our stop loss only is 5 rupees.
Correct.
Are you getting me?
Yep.
Okay. Now, why we need to catch it over here is, while the price had gone up and came down in the zone first time, okay, RSI was a diversion. Now, even when they are saying, I want to sell this, okay, somebody is holding it over here and doesn't want to go below 2200. That means you need to check your 5-day data. It is in the same zone it came in the last 5 days. Where it completed the whole cycle. Stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, and stage 4. But what will be the best place to buy now will be, let's finish with the 10 minutes candle. Okay, let it run the 10 minutes ka rule. And then when it moves up, okay, when it moves up, I want to go and buy this. Otherwise, the pressure still remains down. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So I want a candlestick over here. Yes, above the moving average, blah, blah, blah. RSI is about 50, not a problem. But we have to understand that it will only, when we catch it at the low end of the segment, then our stop losses are very small. Okay. Now, till where it can go? Till where it can go? So the target, in case you want to take home, then the target is where?
2249.
Right at the top. So technically, suppose you want to give 10 points, 15 points, will you not be able to, do you not want to earn 30 points at least?
Right. But now, Mayur, also on the 10 minutes, you're showing that Harami formation, no? On
Yes.
the 10 minute.
Yeah,
So
not
you
a
want to wait
Harami
for
form.
that.
Yes.
This is the 15 minute, no?
Yeah. Now see.
See?
Yeah. Now see. Now it's a beautiful confirmation coming to you that it wants to go up today. Okay, it's a confirmation that it wants to go up today. Now in this case, on the FO side also you saw now beautiful move, up move is there. Okay, again if we go to a 10 minutes, it is giving you a different move altogether. Right now you can definitely go ahead and buy. Saw this?
Oh, it's
So today even Hindustan Lever is a strong buy. 10 rupees as a stop loss on a 10-minute chart. Okay, and Reliance is still going strong. So
yeah.
as far as this is concerned, see, we only in 20 stocks we were able to make this. Not a problem at all.
Right.
So early morning is just about you getting a confirmation. You want to trade based on whatever is the parameters, and you want to take money home. Okay. Now, do you want to take the money home? Yes, I want to take the money home and just exit, and that's the money on the table. Are you getting me? Now people are buying right at the top. Let us wait for a correction to come in and then want to buy, then you buy. Because Bank Nifty is going down slowly and steadily. Now see, where did the Bank Nifty go? What is our rule saying, and where did the Bank Nifty go? There it is.
So now, as per our rule based on the 10-minute, we should have sold that one once it broke the 10-minute line, right? The
Yes,
first 10
and
minutes.
yes, this was the thing. A 1, 2, 3 reversal, breaking the rule. Okay, now see this. Let's check the 10 minutes. First 10 minutes ka thing. Okay, did it not break the 10 minutes key? Okay. So most probably this may come down to this demand zone right over here. But check it out, even when the Nifty did not go up, it came down. Okay. Again, I'm saying Hindustan Lever a buy. Okay, Reliance a buy. Reliance a buy. See this?
Ooh.
I'll just wait for it to retrace, and then I will love to buy this. But this is the early morning thing you need to focus on. The numbers, the practice of you getting the things right. Check it out as far as this is concerned. HDFC has a result in just 1 or 2 days, I think so. Okay, what happens to a Pidilite? Strong up move. See, this was different ball game altogether. See this over here,
Right.
and then going right up till 73.
So once it closed above that consolidation zone, the price, then it's there. That strong
Yes,
up move
yes.
has happened.
You get that 10 points, whatever you need.
Correct.
Okay, now. See this. In this we were able to catch at 25, 26. It gave you 3-4 points. Done. 3-4 trades you want for you to be successful in the market. Not necessary to catch the whole thing, but this is what is needed. But you need to take action based on your learning. You don't have, see, sometimes Just holding doesn't make sense at all. You need to take action also. Okay. Now I'm just giving you a casual thing. Now we are buying on the top. Huh? Yes, we are buying on the top. Will it make sense to buy on the top?
No, no.
I'm just giving you why should we buy something right at the top? Wait for a correction, and then when it starts moving up, I want to buy that. Okay. Looking at this as a chart. Okay. First, I need to check out on the daily what it has done. Wow, it is going up. Okay. Bullish piercing, price trying to go up. Now, this is the stock I would love to be in. Okay. This is the stock I would love to be in. Small, see, check this out. Price coming down inside the zone, RSI giving you a diversion, and the price going up. 100-point move, not giving you anything else but 100 points move. Now, what people again and again make the mistake is buying right at the top.
Right.
Yeah. Now see, this was the move. Why? Because after a correction, there was a gap opening. Okay. Now, bank Nifty also. Now see, in Bank Nifty, smaller time frame. You are done with the trade, right? You have done with the morning trade. Now, this 22,601 is a buy. Once it goes above this, now you want to be in the trade. Kotak Bank, let's check this Kotak Bank. See, now you want to be in the trade. Okay, with a smaller stop loss. Now, based on whatever the time period you want to go in. Okay, check out the Nifty also. Nifty is still strong. Of course, it is still strong. Okay, but this was a bearish engulfing and you were able to make about 5 points over here. Okay, HDFC Bank, check it out. Again, going right up till 1140 and now consolidating. Now, if you want to play the right game, you need to have your focus on only few stocks, 4 or 5 stocks. That's it. See, this is what the mistake everyone does. Buying right at the top. Right? Buying right at the top. Why not wait for it to come around 25 and then buy?
So 25 levels would be a good level because of that previous, it broke the day high earlier.
Correct.
Just wait for it to, okay.
Yes. But see, while I want to play only the intraday game, I will use my 5 minutes this thing. It has given a bullish engulfing and I want to be in this trade to catch the move. Okay. Now it will try and do a dancing. It will be a drop base and a rally happening.
But then this way, Mayur sir, Kotak also is now in that, it's come down to that same zone.
Yes.
So that even is good.
Right. But if you buy this, suppose you buy this, right? What is the IT doing? Okay. Let's check the 10 minutes chart of Kotak Bank. Let's check the 10 minutes chart of Kotak Bank. Yes. Kotak Bank will be buy once it gives us a confirmation because this is a strong sell signal, right? In the first 10 minutes. So I want to buy once it breaks these levels. 1320. If it is not breaking the 1320 levels, I don't want to be a buy. Because I want it to go right up till 33. That is where I will make money.
Right.
Okay. So let's use the 10 minutes rule. Now in the 10 minutes rule, okay, what is the low? What is the low? This is the low. So it needs to give us a confirmation. or you are taking it all on hope and this thing. In fact, HDFC was a better bet. HDFC came down to touch the this thing, and it is still, this is not so good a signal. This is not so good a signal. This is what I gave you as a mistake. You always tend to buy right at the top. So the best place to buy is when the price either comes over here or it actually comes right at this to touch the this thing, and then trying to go up. This is where the people make mistake. Now it's a drop base and a rally happening. A rally will only start after 33. Now, if we play the 10 minutes rule, it should not go below 90.
Correct.
Today. Okay, let's check the higher time frame to see what is happening. Okay, so in the higher time frame, there was a strong bullish hammer. Okay,
hammer.
And now anything above this 333, I would love to buy. Okay, do you know the hammer ka rule? So if you are buying hammer, okay, after the hammer has happened, you need to catch and keep your stop loss at the 50% mark.
Yeah, 50% of hammer.
Yes,
correct.
Yes, below the 50% mark. So where will be the best entry to take? Right here at 19, not at 32.
Okay, so entry will be even halfway on the hammer even as per the stop loss. Okay.
Right.
Okay, you want wait for the breakout off after the hammer then to take.
Okay. Pidilite went right up till 74. But see, always there is a mistake of buying right at the top.
At the top, correct.
Does it make sense?
No.
So what you can do is, whenever you are into a two mindset, okay, best thing is take a equity trade with a smaller stop loss. If the movement is there, just take a FNO trade, make money and run away.
Yeah. So yesterday I was monitoring the bank nifty and I had bought the 22,700 put because I was watching it, and then I was also looking at the 22,700 put, and it gave me around 4,500 rupees on it because once it broke that level at this thing, so I was constantly more. So that's what I only did yesterday. So for the bank nifty, so it opened and I was monitoring the price, and then once it broke all the levels, so it broke below the 240 line of ours, and it didn't go above the previous 240-minute resistance even. So once it broke this thing, then I went and I bought, and I was looking at the 2700 put. It was just bottoming out at that one this thing, 400 something, and the stop was hardly 400, and I made an entry at 411. So I got around 150 points or something on it based on that line. So
Super.
that was my only trade yesterday for bank nifty basically. So
good.
Levels are very important here. So
yes. Now see,
because yesterday none of my other stocks. I mean, I was looking at this list of mine. I didn't see any movement, so I was just monitoring bank nifty only from this thing. So I got my target yesterday for the day.
Good, very nice. This is how the money will be made. Otherwise, it will not be made at all.
So then, what was also this thing is because, like you said, now that I've kept only 10 stocks basically. That means Reliance, HDFC, all the top 10. I Infosys and all. So I only monitor those. But if those don't do anything, like I had asked you about L&T, L&T even is not being doing anything actually. So
I am not trading L&T because of the very small movement which it is doing. Doesn't make sense at all.
Correct. So if I see that this thing opportunity, which whatever, if nothing happens, then I'll monitor that bank nifty to see what it gives me as per lines in 240 minutes.
Now today bank nifty, see, this is what is happening. See, again, the whole setup is bearish. Yes or no?
Correct.
RSI diversion is there.
Correct.
the movement which has taken place in Bank Nifty is already done. This is your
Right.
Kotak Bank. Okay, similar way, HDFC Bank. All the movements are already, it has already made a move, proper move. Okay, now if you are looking on a higher time frame, yes, it will be, it may look, seems to be a buy, but we have to ensure that we are buying low and selling high.
Correct.
But as an intraday player, you want the money to come in as soon as possible. You don't have to think in terms of I am only making 500 or 1000 or whatever it is. Whatever time frame is there, just enter, exit, and then with the market money, play a bigger game if you want to.
Hmm.
But see, even when the Nifty is strong, Bank Nifty also is strong, but it has already made its move.
It's move, right? Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah. Nice. Okay.
chal, let
Fine.
see you then.
All right.
Okay,
Yeah.
chal, bye, take care, and
Okay. Thank you so much.
strictly follow the rules. If you are not able to get something, and if something has moved up, check out the puts, and you will be able to make that money without any pressure and tension.
Okay.
Chalo, done. See you. Take care.
All right. Yeah. Thank you so much. Yeah. Okay. Bye bye.
Bye bye.